Hey guys, Levi Clay here, and today I've got something I'm really excited to share with you. My brand new book is finally out after 6 months of work, and it's called J.S. Bach's 15 two-part inventions for guitar. Whether you're a fan of Bach or just want to seriously develop your musicianship and technique, this is going to be right up your alley. So, what is it? Well, this is a complete collection of all 15 of Bach's two-part inventions, arranged specifically for guitar duet. That means one player on each line, both fully playable, both sitting beautifully under the fingers, and both staying true to the music. And that last part is really important to me. There are lots of so-called arrangements of this material out there where someone has just dumped MIDI into notation software and spat out some tab and called it a day. The result, one part's in the wrong octave, phrases don't breathe naturally, and honestly, they're just not playable on a real guitar. With this book, every single note has been carefully thought through. I've arranged all 15 inventions by hand, one note at a time, to make sure they're idiomatic, playable, and still completely faithful to Bach's original writing. And because I want this to be more than just a book that you can read, I've recorded every single invention myself. You'll get audio of both parts played together, as well as backing tracks, so you can practice along. And even better, there are two types of backing tracks for each invention, one with a click and one without, depending on what you're working on. So whether you're playing the upper line or the lower one, you can literally jam along with me at home. You can grab the book right now on Amazon. It's available as both a paperback and a Kindle, or if you prefer a PDF, it's up on the Fundamental Changes website. And if you're someone who teaches, this is an amazing resource for lessons too. You can play one part and your student plays the other. You'll both grow together. It builds phrasing, timing, counterpoint, understanding, and just overall musicality in a really rewarding way. Now, I genuinely believe this is one of the most musically satisfying things that I've worked on. I spent 6 months on it, not just because it's Bach, but because it's now actually playable and enjoyable on the guitar. If you want a challenge, improve yourself, improve your ears, and just play some of the most beautiful music ever written in a new way, check it out. Thanks as always for the support. Let me know in the comments which invention you're diving into first, and if you post a video playing any of them, please tag me or email me because I'd love to see them. Take care guys, and I'll see you in the next one.